The design of the 891 Wallfone was a joint project by AWA, S.T.C, and the Australian Post Office to produce a successor to the 400 series Bakelite Wallfone, which by 1972 was looking distinctly outdated. Based on the 800 series desk phones from 1963, this 1984 example has the newer Australian-built DMS2 dial multi-speed Type 2, designed to be notably quiet and compact. The conventional circuitry is directly inherited from the 800 series. Components are mounted on a printed circuit board and include a voltage-dependent resistor, or Varistor, to compensate for varying line lengths. The case is of A.B.S. plastic, and the mechanical bell has a single coil, but unlike the desk set, no user-accessible adjustment. The handset is approximately half the weight of its predecessor, known to many as the BPO 700 type, but incorporates the same rocking armature receiver 4T, and, remarkably, an updated version of transmitter Inset No. 13, which can trace its ancestry back to 1929. Okay, so here's a quick demo of how quiet the dial is, the off-rest position, and the ringer.